heard of Alia Bhatt's viral beetroot salad? I definitely looked at it and it reminded me of my childhood because my mom has actually been making this pink raita, is what she called it, as a way of enticing me to eat food that I didn't like, or maybe if I was being quite troublesome. Generally, I was quite good with food, but sometimes there are those off days. So this is my mom's version of the beetroot raita, or the pink raita that I would like to call it, and I'm going to dive right in. These are the ingredients that you would require to make the pink raita, or inspired by Alia Bhatt's beetroot salad. So what you need for this is some yogurt, some freshly grated beetroot, which is again my mom's version of using this, some coriander leaves, a pinch of salt, some lemon, and a tempering that I used making olive oil with some mustard seeds, curry leaves, a little bit of green chili that's been broken up, and urad dal, guys. These are all the ingredients you need. You don't need a stove. You don't need cooking involved. This is very simple. You don't even need to boil or cook the beetroot. Just freshly grated beetroot will do the trick, because then it'll be a little crunchy, and that's the trick. Now that I've added the garnish, it is time to dig in. What I'll tell you, a secret, is that my mom also used to do this with grated carrot, which has vitamin A. So it's a great way to also try out this pink or orange raita or salad, carrot salad if you want to call it. And this has some healthy fat from the olive oil. The beetroot has some vitamin B and C. It also has iron, so it's great. All of the yogurt is protein, so this is such a nutritious way to get in something that looks good and I promise tastes good. So good, guys. I swear to God, I could eat this as a meal, but I will not do that. So try it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this version of the pink raita or the beetroot salad, whatever you want to call it. And I will see you in my next video.